The CDC has reissued a travel warning for Saint Lucia. This time around, the island's travel risk is at 1. A spike in infections over the past 14 days has pushed the country to level 1, but the COVID-19 risk remains low. The SLTA reiterates the importance of visitors following health and safety protocols to reduce the spread of the virus.
Travelers should proceed observing all protocols. It also indicates that travelers from Saint Lucia would not be required to quarantine upon arrival in the U.S. Indeed, we did highlight that Saint Lucia was among 8 countries globally to have not required travel advisory because of the response at the time to the pandemic. However, the number of cases as of late would be of concern, and so we note and appreciate the ongoing efforts to contain any further spread of the virus. And so it is imperative that the protocols be followed to ensure a safe experience for all and to limit the spread of the virus into local communities.
The SLTA is preparing for the arrivals of some 6 flights in a 30-minute span at HIA on Saturday, November 7th. PR manager Geraint Georges appeals to returning nationals to have the proper documents in place to minimize processing times.
There has been a significant level of strengthening of the operational logistics at the airport, and that is to ensure screening, distancing, and further reduction in the processing time. Might I encourage all our returning nationals to have their documents on hand when at the nurses station, immigration and customs. It is something that we have noted that is a factor impeding the processing time. Additional taxis will also be on duty to ensure smooth operations, and that too means additional taxi drivers returning to work.
As of Thursday, November 5th, 2020, the UK Parliament approved a month-long lockdown to curb the spread of COVID-19. The SLTA anticipates that Saint Lucia's fragile tourism sector will take a hit from the ban, as the UK is its second largest tourism source market.
We have also noted a trend with British travelers in that cancellations were very minimal, and those who have come have extended their stay well past the UK projected lockdown period. And though this is a very fluid situation and changes could pretty much happen overnight, we continue to be very excited for the trajectory of tourism at this time.
This week, a number of hotels were expected to return to 100% occupancy with the welcome of TUI flights. Although it may be too early to determine the impact of the UK travel restrictions on the tourism sector, hospitality workers will feel the impact of the ban. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.